the St. Louis Arch. Huge fireball from the St. Louis Arch. And then, of course, just a bunch of great... And snow on the ground in some areas. We can see that, too. What a crazy night. People are seeing all kinds of crazy stuff in the sky tonight. And what's odd is that as we were planning the show tonight, and believe me, when things happen like this, we have to break away and say, hey, we want to get you that information before anyone else gets the information, because I know that there's no other show that's going to bring you this information. Because I don't want to talk about impeachment. They want to talk about, I don't know, vitamins. They want to talk about, I don't know, Veterans Day, of course, is the day to talk about Veterans Day. But, right now, the sky is active, okay? And what's really weird is that we were saying that the sky would be active. We're saying that here we are we're in Mercury retrograde, and I think that this today, 11/11, is the day it's supposed to be at its peak, and it dies down after about the 20th. But, anomalies in the sky and weather anomalies, weather is abnormally cold. We're having January temperatures right now, and we're nowhere near the first day of winter. And so there are a number of things going on that we've observed that have me a little curious here, because doing research today, I stumbled upon a few things. One, that it appears that a few weeks ago, there were swarms of earthquakes that rattled Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma. Now, Missourians are accustomed to receiving alerts telling them about tornadoes, thunderstorms, floods, and other weather situations. Tonight, it's fireballs, of course, seen all over Missouri. Something's going on, okay? And not only that, but they just did a news report about what to do, how to prepare Missourians for the big one. Now, that's California. You talk about the big